back to Safe on Project TV. Today we'll be doing a picture frame expired vase, basically. Well, I have 4 picture frames. This is the 3.5 by 5 size picture frame that I got from Dollar Tree, gold trimming. I have 4 of those. I have 2 type of LED lights. I don't know which one I'm going to use, so I'm going to play around with both. One is a circle with diamonds. The other one is a star. So I'm definitely going to use the diamonds, and I also have an extra pack of diamonds. This is the vase I will be putting inside of our picture frame with the LED lights. I have my hot glue gun, hot glue sticks, and ribbons. I have the sparkle ribbons with the pink sparkles. I have the I forgot what this is called, the design on it with the arrows. I have the pink in it and the ivory and gold, pink and gold and ivory and gold. I have the clear diamond adhesive strip, and I have the pink diamond adhesive strip. I don't know how much is decorated, but we shall see. And just in case if my hot glue gun won't hold it, I got some E6000. I did not pick this up from Dollar Tree, but everything else is from Dollar Tree except the hot glue gun. But the hot glue sticks is from Dollar Tree. And I picked this up from Walmart, and also the hot glue gun from Walmart. So E6000, just in case if the hot glue won't hold it. So let's get into the video. We're going to take the back off. Pull that loose. Set that to the... Take out the frame. There you have that. I'm going to do all of them the same way. Got all that. So now we're going to hot glue our sides together. Doing so like that, so I'm going to put some hot glue. And hold that together, and so. And then we're going to go along doing all sides. So that's how it looks, a nice little cube. Then we will take our glass bowl, we'll sit that on the inside, and so fill it with our little jewels. You turn it to cut your little LED light, turn from different colors. And there you go, you have it. See the inside of it. Oh, I also have the star one. So I'm not for sure which one. I think I'm going to keep it there. So we're going to take that out. Nobody will be seeing the bottom piece. I'll set that back down. I also can be doing the bottom piece of the jewel. Then I'll be doing a simple bow. I'll be doing 2 bows. I always fold it in half, unfold it, and at the crease I put a dot here and a dot on the other side. I fold that over. Then have a little bow.